If you haven't used GoHighLevel's Ask AI recently, you're in for a massive surprise. GoHighLevel has just rolled out some massive updates with this Ask AI feature, turning it into one of the most powerful tools on the platform. And the crazy part is most users are only scratching the surface of what Ask AI can do. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you every new update, every new capability, and how to properly use Ask AI to go from a complete beginner to a complete pro. All right, so to access Ask AI, you're going to come into your GoHighLevel dashboard, come into a sub account, and click Ask AI right here. If you do not see it, which you should at the time, you're going to go to Settings, then Labs, to enable it. And I've done this in a ton of my videos, so it's very simple. So I'm legit going to be covering all the major updates in this video, and there has been a lot. And that's actually why I made this video, is because even though I've released a couple of videos on Ask AI recently, they are literally only tapping into a part of it. There has been some huge updates where we can do so much more with Ask AI, mind blowing. And in this video, I'm going to give you the most up-to-date tutorial on this feature, and also how you can use it to really scale your agents, because once you understand Ask AI, it changes everything. So we're just going to jump right in, not waste any of your time. Also, if you have any questions during this video, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer them personally. So first things first, what is Ask AI? Ask AI is essentially a robot builder, okay, that can do the work for you. So if you wanted to build calendars, you want to build AI chatbots, don't worry, I'm going to demo it here in like literally 10 seconds. If you wanted to build calendars, pipelines, like it will literally go into HighLevel and build things for you. Like it is a worker robot. And I'm not kidding when I say worker agents. Like it is actually the definition of an AI employee, because it builds for you. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna demo this product, then I'm gonna show you what a bunch of these different things mean so you fully understand this product and can use it. So first things first, you're gonna go to New Chat or right here, and we're gonna click Start. And we're gonna be brought to this little prompt thing right here where we can ask it to do something for us. So let me first show you exactly what I'm going to have it do. I'm going to have it first create an AI chatbot. So if we come into AI agents and we come right into conversation AI, you will see there is no AI chatbot in here. But if we come to Ask AI and we make it build one, it's going to build one entirely in seconds for us. So I'm going to say, please build me an AI chatbot that can do sales and customer support 24/7 for this sub account. We click enter, and in seconds, it's going to go through and build this. Okay, boom, asking me a little bit what I want. I like all of this. We're just going to click submit. It's basically asking me what I want, and then it's going to go to town. Boom, look at this. Built, done and dusted in seconds. And then look right here. It even says I'll add it, okay, to my website, connect to a calendar, and train it. It'll do all of that for me. But I'm not even going to go through that. I'm just going to legitimately go in and see if it built it, so we have proof that this thing is working. Look at that. How insane is that? Built the entire thing out like that. We come to bot training. Hello. Let's make sure this thing can talk back to us. Boom. How insane is that? This entire thing was built with Ask AI, an entire fully functioning AI chatbot in minutes. All I had to do was come right in here and talk to the AI and have it do the work for me. Do you see how insane this is? The amount of different things we can do with this is absurd. So let's quickly do another use case, then I'm going to start breaking down other things. But just to show you that this really works. So I'm going to say, please build me some courses for my landscaping program. Okay, we're going to enter. Okay, boom, it asks me what topics of courses you want to build. I'm just going to do lawn care basics. That's it. Okay, boom, it says built. It's created the courses, so let's try it out. We're going to come right down to memberships. We're going to come right into courses. We're just going to go to products. Look at that. It created the entire course for me. That is absolutely insane. Now, I can have it go through even more. Okay, make these all published. I could go in and legitimately have it add thumbnails. Like, you can have Ask AI do pretty much everything, which is absolutely absurd, because this would have taken a couple hours to sketch everything out and build. But instead, you can leverage AI inside of GoHighLevel just to build shit for you. Like, I do not think you understand how powerful this is. This is the future. You can onboard clients so fast, you can do the work for you, and there's so many other use cases. By the way, if you guys want to see me build anything in particular with Ask AI, drop in the comments down below and I'll make a video on it just to show you the power. I also have a ton of AI prompts to give out, which again, you get those for signing up with that 30-day free trial down below, and that's all inside my private community, but you get access to all of that for free when you hit that 30-day down below. But let's go even further, okay? Because I now want to break down kind of how to use this properly, what this dashboard means, and a couple other things. One of the first things that a lot of people do not know about this Ask AI feature is the fact that it's actually not just on, the sub-account level. It is legitimately also on the agency view level. Why does this make this so powerful? Because with it on the sub-account level, you're building within a sub-account. On the agency view, you are building the sub-account and everything down below it. So this is like the master Ask AI. This is insane because the SaaS configurator previously was what allowed agencies to build out sub-accounts automatically. But now we can have Ask AI build sub-accounts. If you don't know what sub-account is, it's this thing right here, this entire business. And if you don't believe me, check this out right here. And a lot of people don't know this. This is absolutely freaking insane. Please build me a sub-account called Declan 77777. And we're going to enter and check this out. Boom. Look at this. Okay, it goes through with the name, the company ID, the city, the state. That's what I put in previously. So it's going to do that. Wow, it even found something that's connected to me. You can obviously change this, but I'm just going to say yes. And now it's going to go build out the sub account in its entirety. Now, obviously, you can add more details. You want to add like legitimately what you want it to be because it'll actually build it out. But for this, I'm just basically having it build something random to show you. Okay, so boom, looks like it's set up. Let's quickly check. So we're going to refresh this page right here. Okay, we're going to come right in here and we're going to type in Declan. Look at that. It created it. It's right there. We're going to click it. Look at it. It created the sub account. Do you not see how insane this is? This is going to make onboarding lightning fast. This is giving agencies the ability to just bang out clients in literally 0 time. This is absolutely the future. So it can create all kinds of stuff. And if we come in here, we can have more. We could have it add in snapshots. We could have it set up users. We could have it customize fields. We can tell this exact Ask AI to build out the entire thing. Quick sneak peek. I have a prompt, in my private community, which is like a copy and paste that you paste in that does all of this perfectly for you. So you're going to want to get your hands on that. So make sure you get in my free community, but it's absolutely insane. And it's going to go through and do all of that for you. So you can immediately onboard clients like that and then have everything ready to go and just bang it out and be good to go. So that is the power of Ask AI on agency view, and it can do a lot of this stuff that you can do over here as well. But I want to make sure you understand that because the vast majority of people I talk to do not understand that you can actually build out sub accounts and do the work on agency view through here as well, which is just absolutely incredible. But let me keep walking you through some of these amazing other things so you understand exactly how this dashboard works. So one of the first really big things that I like everyone to know as soon as they get into Ask AI and they understand how to build stuff is this new feature right here, which is the ability to start dictation. This is actually so powerful. I think a lot of people do not realize even that this exists, but more importantly, how powerful this is because this will give you the ability to just talk to it and build what you want. So check it out because you got a brain dump in AI. So check this out. Hey, so what I'm looking for is I am looking for an AI chatbot, okay? Actually, an AI voice agent that can talk to landscapers, plumbers, chiropractors, all of the above, and I want it to be superhuman-like. I want it to talk like a human, sound like a human, act like a human, and do so many other things so it can actually do customer support and sales 24/7. So we click this little check, and boom, look at that. It took my voice, dictated, and put it in as a prompt. Then I click enter, and it's now going to do exactly what I am looking for. And boom, as you see here, it's going to ask me exactly what I want to do, and it's going to build it for me. It's just so insane. So the dictation tool you need to be using. So that's one of the first big things that you got to learn because with AI, you need prompting, which again, you get in my community, or you need to learn how to talk to it because it's going to speed up your time by a lot. Because oftentimes, if you brain dump in a decent order, it can build it out and take what you want and do a really good job. So that's the first thing. Second thing, if we come right in here, we have the search tab. If you have a bunch of different tabs, we can legitimately search for by just typing in like AI, blah, blah, and it's going to pull up the conversation and find the exact one if you want to continue on that thread to build out similar stuff. So that is just this search toggle right here, which is really, really important. A lot of people need to be using that because once you build out a lot of stuff, you could have hundreds of conversations, which is very important. Next, really big thing is the ability to schedule tasks. This is legit worker agent shit. This is insane. So if we click scheduled, we can actually schedule Ask AI to do jobs for us. So think fulfillment. You have a client come in, you want to have them build calendars, you want to do this, you want to do that. It can schedule it. So all we got to do is click new task. Okay, we're going to put in task name. We're going to say build pipelines. Description, we're just say building pipelines in sub account. Prompt, what should the AI do? This is where you want to give it exactly what you want. So build out a 5-stage pipeline for a landscaper. So you tell it exactly what to do, okay? And then frequency, when do you want it? So we're just gonna do weekly. We're gonna pick it on a Tuesday and the start time is going to be 9 a.m. that works perfectly fine. And then we're going to create task. And now every Tuesday at 9 a.m., it's going to build a pipeline in this sub account. Do you see how freaking insane that is? It's literally just going to go in and start doing tasks. So the idea now is that you want to start building out all these different things so that it does work for you. So think like this. Think if we're in the marketing tab and we want to run social media campaigns, okay? We want to have Facebook and Instagram posts going out every week. All we need to do is click new task, and every, let's say 2 weeks, it rebuilds the social media posts, reschedules them, and does all of the work for us. So we can essentially have, like I talked about before, that worker agent that's going to come in and do everything for us. And if we click this right here, we can click delete, or we can have run now, or we can edit it right here. So that's how you edit said tasks. When you have them, you just click into it. And then from there, you now can schedule pretty much everything. It's just insane. If you have questions, drop them down below. I could talk all day about how powerful this is, but so many of you guys do not know that these are features that they've rolled out. And the amount of people I see aren't using Ask AI or do not know its capabilities is insane. There's so many of you guys that aren't using this to its capability. So make sure you use this, because this is mind-blowing, and it's also incredibly powerful. So that's how you do all of the recurring tasks. Last but not least, if we go all the way down here and you see account and we click this, okay, you're going to see it has memory. So this is what it's remembering and going through this. So you can come here, you can manage the memory. You can either delete stuff or you can import memories from other sub accounts so that we now have this trained on multiple different things. Because remember, the AI has basically a list of different things you've asked it, and it pulls from different things. Because the worst thing, and you guys probably know this with ChatGPT, say you're talking about how to build calendars or something, and then you restart a chat, it doesn't exactly know what you're talking about, but the memory is going to give it the ability, okay, to learn faster and stuff. And again, if you want to delete stuff, you just click delete, and if you want to import, you click that, paste your memories in from another sub account, and you're good to go. So that is the memory side of things. So from there, that is basically how this entire dashboard works on Ask AI, and this right here closes the sidebar so you can build better. And again, if you want a new chat, you just click it, and it builds a new chat. Same as if we want Ask AI on Agency View, it is pretty much the exact same thing, but just on Agency View. So that is basically all the different ways you can use Ask AI to build stuff. But I am not done yet. I'm going to show you one more thing to really push the power of Ask AI, which I'm going to be using a prompt, but I'm going to be using this so you can see just how powerful this is. Because a lot of you guys are like, okay, this is cool, this can do a lot of work, but I'm now going to show you how this really cranks and how this can do a lot. But before I show you that last part, which is absolutely insane, I want to let you know, if you're liking this video and you're interested in learning how to sell this, but also getting access to all of my AI prompts, there's an exclusive 30-day free trial down below. Not a 14-day, but an exclusive 30-day, where when you sign up with that, not only do you get all of my prompts to make Ask AI work better, you get access to my entire private community, okay? Not only will you stay motivated 24/7 and be with winners, as you see here, you're also going to get access to all of my video trainings, all of my pre-built out systems, all of my snapshots, my sales scripts, my AI prompts, Dominic's bonuses as well, and so much more, all done for you. But most importantly, you're going to get access to me, okay, on Zoom, and all of my trained coaches for free, as you see here, with help with whatever you could possibly need. So how to learn high level, how to sell high level, bring problems up here. We will literally do whatever you want, and we help you for free. No one else is giving this away. There is no group like this. And if you don't believe me, you're like, this is too good to be true, click the link down below and see the testimonials we have. You can't fake this kind of stuff. This group is absolutely insane. I also allow you to message me whenever you want up in this right-hand corner, because I believe that hand-holding, whether you are advanced or beginning, is essential in this process. And again, all of this, the community, the calls, all of this is free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial or upgrade with it right down below. I also want to let you know, if you've already upgraded fully and you've already have high level to the highest plan, there is another link, which is right below that, which will help you get in, which I recommend you do. You just got to be part of this community, because not only is this like absolutely amazing for coming in and, seeing a bunch of stuff, you can even watch the recordings right here, but it's a great networking opportunity so you can meet other agencies and collab and really get bigger. And we also are running challenges right now for like giving away clients and stuff. So it's just absolutely insane. So if this interests you, which it should, go right down below, sign up, and I'll see you in here. I now want to show you the final part of this video. Now that you understand how Ask AI works in general, I want to show you the exact power of it by using this AI prompt right here to build out basically an entire client account in seconds. So we're going to come right in here on Agency View. We're going to click New, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this exact prompt, okay, copy it, and paste it right in like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right into the parts that I need to fill out, the placeholders, and I'm going to have this thing build out a ton of stuff. So if you've seen in here, okay, this is going to do SEO. It's going to build out an entire sub account. It's going to build out the CRM. It's going to put in tags. It's going to put in custom values. It's going to build a pipeline. It's going to build calendars. It's going to do forms and surveys, all kinds of other stuff. AI chatbot, AI voice agent. I mean, it's going to build everything. There's so much more it's building, but for the sake of the video, I'm not going to just show you every single thing because we're going to show you it after it's built. But first things first, we're going to slap in this info. So insert business name. Let's do Declan's Plumbing. We're going to do plumbing. And guys, we have to fill out these placeholders. By the way, this exact prompt, if you want it, is in my private community completely for free. Business description, Declan's Plumbing and hot water installs. City, state, we're going to do New York. Website, we're going to do Declan's Plumbing Pros. If that's someone's website, I'm sorry. Do okay. Insert email. We're gonna do Declan's Plumbing. You're just gonna fill this out just like this. Declan Pros at gmail.com. Okay, services. We're gonna do hot water install, and we're just gonna bust through these really quickly. Primary goal. We will just do free estimate. Generate leads. Book now. We're going to do owners. Ideal customer. We're gonna do home owner. We're just filling out the prompt. We're gonna do luxury. So easy. This is all I'm doing is putting in some basic stuff. SEO info. This is the really important part. You guys want to have your SEO done, so we're gonna do New York. Primary SEO services. We're just gonna do hot water installs. Secondary says we don't need that, and we're just gonna do 9 to 5. Everything else looks perfectly fine. So now we're gonna click enter, and we're now gonna see if it can build the entire sub account and all of the stuff it promised from me just typing this prompt in 1 minute. Let's see what it can do. All right, boom, it went through and looks like it created everything. Let us go check out and see if this works. We're gonna come right in here. We're gonna do Declan's Plumbing, boom, right there, New York, New York. All right, let's click it. Let us see. First things first, let us go down to the calendars. Let's see if it built out the calendars. Okay, we're gonna come to calendars and look at that, boom. That is insane. Look at that. All created just like that. Hands off. Absolutely insane. Let's go to opportunities. Created the pipeline. It is insane. It created all this. This Ask AI, I typed it in using this master prompt, and it went through and create all of this in my sub account. This is absolutely insane. Let's go to AI agents. Let's come to voice AI. Agent created Luna for me too. Look at that. Let's see. Let's just do a quick test.
Hey, you have reached Declan's Plumbing, New York's premier hot water and plumbing specialists. This is Luna. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? Trying to get my hot water fixed.
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Sorry to...
Insane. Okay, let's see if the chatbot was created. You guys seeing how crazy this is? Absolutely insane. Now let's go to settings. Let's go to custom values. Look at that. Built out the custom values. Let's go see what it did for tags as well. Dude, are you seeing how crazy this is? It built all of this from this prompt. Now, that is the power of GoHighLevel's Ask AI. So I demoed it. I showed you how to use it, but then I showed you how to use master prompts to really have it crank. I could probably yap about this for hours, but like, this is the future. You guys have to understand this. Whoever gets this has the keys to the kingdom. It built everything. You saw it. I just showed you. It built everything in minutes. Hands off. I went to the bathroom, I did other stuff while it built it, and it did it all for me. That is absolutely insane. That is just absolutely crazy. And guys, if you want this prompt, again, you get access to it by signing up with my 30-day free trial down below, getting into my community, and we give away all the prompts. I'll show you right here. They're right here. We have tons of them. You get access to all that and everything else in my community for free. And again, you get those 30 days. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below so I can answer personally. What I want to do now is I want to link a video to the vibe coder in GoHighLevel. Okay, this is where you can vibe code websites and do a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to be linking that literally in like 5 seconds, but that's really important that you watch that because that's going to help take what you have to the next level within GoHighLevel. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you get in my private community ASAP. It will change everything for you. Questions, drop them down below. But most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now.